Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about a nude makeup look. Again, a no makeup look. So this video is probably helpful for those who doesn't like more of the makeup over their face. Okay, then let's get started. I have already moisturized my face. You can use any moisturizer which is easily available in the markets. I have already moisturized my face with Lotus moisturizer. So now I'm coming on to a stove cream. I'm using actually a MAC stove cream that I'm showing you. This actually moisturizes your face and also add a glow to your face, so that once like you do with your foundation, so that is really going to what we say is shine on your face. So this is a MAC stove cream. This is a hydrant that you can use over your face. So I'm just using a bit of it, but before that I'm gonna put my hair back. So I'm taking a bit of a stove cream that you can see. You can see guys, even this is adding a glow and like it's looking more hydrated. So like I'm done with the stove cream. So before I put apply my foundation on my skin, I'm using MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in Rose. So this is the one that I'm using now, and guys, believe me, these products are easily available on Nykaa.com. Love the fragrance. So like I'm finally done with it. You need not to apply makeup just after you put this. You need to give it a little bit time to settle on your face. So now finally I'm going to use a foundation on me, which is again of MAC that I'm using. This is actually the foundation that I'm using. This is a Studio Fix Fluid with SPF 15, so it is good for the daytime because it includes actually SPF. I like the foundations which actually have SPF in it, so I'm just dabbing a little bit because this is like a daily basis look. So I'm not applying more. I will not apply more of the foundation on the skin. So I'm just I have put the little bit amount here and now I'm gonna dab it on my skin. Now like I'm done with my foundation on my skin. Please remember guys, less is more. So do not use more of the product on your face. Just begin with a very small layering, and then if needed go for the another layer. So finally like I'm done with my foundation. So now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. So as of now I'm using the Huda one. I'm using Huda concealer, the Overachiever concealer that I'm using, and I'm gonna take a little bit amount of a concealer on the back of my hand. I actually love this product, so I'm just taking a very little amount of concealer because my skin doesn't need more of the product. So, and I'm gonna add a little bit stove cream in it, just to give a little glow. Then I'm gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna put it under my eye. I just love concealing the under eye area because this gives a fresh look to your eyes, and I'm gonna put it over my eyes even now. and then the leftover product over the between my forehead. So now like I'm done with the same. Now I'm gonna use, of course, the MAC Studio Fix. This is actually a foundation and you know, compact in one, but I actually, you know, like to use it as a compact. So I'm just going to take a very little product on this sponge. I'm just simply gonna dab over my eye. Then the other side. See guys, this is a no makeup look, a nude look. So in that case, you need to have a very good skin so that, you know, you can flaunt your skin more than to your makeup. So like I'm done with this. So now finally I'm going to start with my eye makeup. So I'm gonna use again a Huda Coral Obsession. Sorry guys. So this is a Coral Obsession. I love you know, the colors inside it. I really love all Huda Beauty, you know, eye palettes. So again, you can check all the products on Nykaa.com. So I'm gonna use the buffer brush first. And I'm gonna start with a very light color, taking the excess off, and you know, slightly, you know, adding up the colors onto my crease. Now the other side. So you can see guys, it's adding a shape. Actually, I'm gonna use all the warm colors. This is going to give more shape to your eye. And now I'm gonna use the other brush. Just the same thing. This is again a buffer brush. Just gonna blend the colors onto my eye. Blending, blending, and blending. So like I'm done with this. Now I'm gonna use the small brush. One I'm using, you know, just to give a color, just to add up the color over my lids. So now actually I'm going to use a brown and orange mix. I'm going to actually mix this color, so I'm gonna take a little bit amount out of both, taking the excess off and starting from between and adding up the color onto my eye. So I'm gonna do the same thing the other side. Just going to use the buffer brush again, just to, you know, blend all the colors together. Just taking the excess off my So now it's like done. So now I'm gonna use a brow kit. So as of now I'm using these days this L'Oreal brow kit. So I'm gonna use a brow kit. Just filling up my brows with a brush. Do not reshape your brows. That would not make you look natural. Just try to fill in the color on your brows, but do not reshape it. So like I'm done with the filling up my colors on my brows. So I'm just going to use the same brush and I'm gonna use it for under eye. Just to give a shape. Same side, same way on the other side. So like now you can see it is giving really nice shade to your eye. So now we're gonna use a liner on it. So these days actually I'm using a L'Oreal pen liner. So let's get started. I hope it is visible. Just simply, you know, giving a line, a fine line. Now the other side. So if you want, you can simply, you know, give a fine line over your eye. But I like actually wings. So I'm gonna make a wing. It will give a really, you know, catty eye. And I really like that look. So let's get started. So just, you know, pull this a bit. So now I have given a little wing. So like I'm done with the eye. So I'm gonna you know, contour my face, and again I'm gonna use the highlighter bronzer over my face, and which is actually a Huda Beauty palette. I love this palette. Believe me guys, this is little like the price is higher, but this actually, you know, claims that it gives 3D highlighter. It's a 3D highlighter palette, so it actually gives that 3D glow over your face. Okay, so let's get started. And even guys, I'll tell you one hack, that if you do not have, you know, a bronzer with you, you can also use your brown color lipstick. Depends actually on your color complexion. So do not use so dark brown or a light brown. Use it according to your face, you know, complexion. So you can use even the lipsticks and just contour your face, and then, you know, you can use that as a bronzer, as bronzing or contouring your face. and I like to use the same with the same brush with the same color to, you know, sharpen my nose, to give a little shape to my nose. You can see the difference, guys. If you do not have like so many brushes, you just simply can take your like angular this bronzer brush, you can press a bit, and then you can use it even for contouring your nose like the way I am doing. So these are the little hacks that you can, you know, do it at home and get the perfect look without, you know, these separate brushes. I just like to contour over my cheeks a little bit to give on my face and then nose. I do not like to use, you know, contour these parts of my face. Actually, some people does, but that is only required if your face is, you know, really like bigger and you want to make it look smaller. So now I'm coming on to the blush, and I am using the same palette, but I'm gonna use the pink color to add a little bit glow to my face. You just have to look, you know, use very little product because the makeup is nude. Little bit on nose. Okay, so now I'm coming on to the lips. So I'm just adding a pink, a little bit of pink. I've already moisturized my you know, lips, so now I'm adding a bit color onto my lips. I really like the finish that it gives by using your fingers on your lips. So like I'm done with this color now. So now I'm using this color, actually a nude color, little bit of brownish, and I love this shade. So I'm gonna use like like I'm done with the color, lip color. So the final thing is I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter. So I'm using my 3D palette again, and I'm going to use a little bit of, you know, silverish color. Just taking the excess off, and so like I have used my highlighter now. I'm done with my makeup. So finally taking off this band. So finally, this is guys, my nude makeup look, and it's really simple and pretty. So finally guys, you can look that I'm done with my nude makeup, and I have used extremely the warm shades on my face. So guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you really liked my video, please like and press the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of my other videos too. And thank you for giving me such a love and support. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.